What's up, guys? It's your boy. I'm back. And funny thing about this video is I started installing this stuff about 3 to 4 days ago, and I don't know what happened to the video of installing the first thing, but it was gone. Didn't find it anywhere. Don't know what happened to it. It's just gone. So we're gonna start this off with these two things that I bought. Well, I bought 4 things, and we have one thing still coming, these 2 things out here, and then one thing was already installed ahead of time because I recorded it, but it got lost. So let me just show you what I installed already. Yes, sir. I got my Mishimoto shift knob. I did an installation on it, but funny thing, stupid video, freaking got lost, all the clips. But now we got this bad boy that goes right here like that. We're gonna install this carbon fiber piece that goes around the shifter, and what's in the bag I'll show you right now. This is what's in the bag. It doesn't go with the color of my what's it called, my seats, but I mean, I wanted red, so I got red. It's a shift boot. For the funny thing is, first video I've ever put on YouTube was installing a shift boot on my SI, but I took it down because I mean, I thought it was lame, so that's why I took it down. Wish I didn't, because I could have something to laugh at, you know, in the future and stuff. But yeah, I got this shift boot, and we got the carbon fiber to go with this, so that is going to be a sick combo to put on here. So let me get started, and yeah. Start. There you go. It's on and clean. We are finished with this install. What's up, guys? It's your boy. I'm back, and the piece that I was going to install, the fourth piece, was this piece right here. I got it from Z1 Motorsports. It's supposed to go right on top, in between the shifter and the shift boot, to make it look clean, because I don't like that look that it has right now. Let me go show you guys right now. Actually, pretty much this piece was supposed to go right here. It's supposed to sit on top, and I need another piece either way to go under the little part that goes, the little ring that goes right here. I need a other piece the same like that, so I could put under it so it could push up. This is supposed to sit right here, but the problem is, let me show you guys. The problem is this little piece that comes with the Mishimoto shift knobs is plastic, and I don't want to break it, because if I break it, I can't put my shifter back on. And I know you guys say just try to fit it through. Yeah, it's not going through. There's no way this piece is gonna go past this without taking this off. And I don't want to get some pliers or whatever and twist it off, because it's just not gonna happen. So I'm not gonna put this piece on unless I buy a new shifter or whatever. I might buy a new shift knob in the future, but look at that carbon fiber though. It looks so good. But yeah, guys, this is the reason why I'm not installing the fourth piece. Just wanted to explain it and just not say anything about it or anything. This was the fourth piece. It was supposed to sit right there, make it look clean, but oh well, shit happens. So fuck it, I'm gonna just leave it how it is right now. Maybe one day, if I get tired of the new shifter, I will take this bitch off, put it on, and make it look clean. But for now, it's just gonna be like this, which I hate so much, but fuck it, it is what it is. That's the end of the video, guys. Please like, subscribe, turn on the bell for notifications when I upload, all that shit, you know, and keep up with the Z. More stuff coming for my cousin's 5.0. We have some things already ordered. They're on back order and stuff, so yeah, that's why we haven't posted anything about the 5.0, but that will be coming soon, and more mods to this beast. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.